And I don't know how you knew it, but I knew it somehow. You're the answer to the questions no one's answered till now. And I don't know what you see in me, but there is nothing to what I see in you. Starts the glisten before kissing. Honey, listen, it's true. No one else